All right, you guys, I have a red carpet event to go to tomorrow, and I have 3 different dresses to choose from. I want you guys to help me pick one. Plus, if you like any of them, I will have them linked over in my LTK. They're all from Amazon. I really do love this one. This was my first choice. However, I found out someone else is probably going to be wearing the same dress. So because of that, it's on the bottom of the pile. But what do you guys think? I really, really love it. It's very flattering. It fits very well. I think I'm wearing a small. And I've got this same dress in a different color, but honestly, I think the bottom fits a little differently. I don't think the slit's quite as open in the other one that I got for some reason. I don't know why. But let's see what this looks like in the gold. So here's the gold, also wearing a small, exact same dress, but this one fits slightly bigger for whatever reason. I think this dress is really flattering on a lot of body types. The other girl that's going to be wearing it has a completely different body type than myself, and she looks amazing in it. And here's the green velvet. This is a small also, but fits slightly bigger than the other two. I think they're different brands. I do wish it was a little bit tighter, but I like this one as well. Which one do you think?